Croc Shiny XL. Hey guys, so we are going to be reorganizing our makeup kit. So heavy. It's this one. It's the Relabel Croc Shiny XL. Maybe it has a double zipper XL. I got it off of Amazon. We're gonna get this together because it's so heavy. It's so heavy. We have a wedding this weekend, and so I just want to make sure I am able to work out of my kit. There are some weddings where I get a little bit frazzled and I have everything everywhere. Bought these bins. Let me show you. In extra bins. Got these at Walmart last night. It says Walmart exclusive next Netflix series. I don't know, the home edit. Got these. I think it was $25 for all of this, and I think there are 10 pieces. There's 10 pieces in here. So we are going to open this bad boy up and we are going to, you know, make some magic because there's a lot going on here.
What is it?
Call me Keith.
This is Douglas's house. Yeah, no. Just go get you to it.
So what do we do now?
Please, bro. We'll talk about it tomorrow. Get some rest. Bye. Bye. Smart. How you doing down the house? Good prepping, you know. We did prepping slide. What they cooked you? I haven't seen. They wouldn't. No, right. You know, my case.
I've been to
our makeup kit is looking like. I have my prep primers, our luminizers, setting spray, prep sprays. We have Huda Beauty, e.l.f., ColourPop, a bunch of different brands. Complexion, so then I have the Temp 2 wireless, I will put that here, it's the Temp 2 wireless airbrush foundation system. I have the Makeup Forever HD palettes for foundation, Charlotte Tilbury powder, Fenty RCMA powders. We have the LA Girl Pro concealers. These are amazing, affordable and amazing, great coverage. We have our Danessa Myricks color fixes. We have Rare Beauty cream blushes. We have that. We have ColourPop, their popping highlights. We love them. We have Patrick Ta, Too Faced, ColourPop, Anastasia. We have some more Danessa Myricks. I have a very broad priced ranged makeup kit. Just because it's expensive doesn't mean it's worth it, honestly, but the things that I choose to put in here that are a little bit more expensive have really great reviews and they have really great outcomes, like Patrick Ta. Amazing, amazing, amazing eyeshadows. I have this beautiful Patrick Ta. Like, does this not scream bridal to you? Like, it's beautiful, so beautiful. We have that. We also have his cheek palette. We have his cheek palette, guys. Like, come on, like, it's beautiful. We have the Naturally Nudes by Too Faced. Like, also very bridal, very beautiful. We have, for example, Drugstore, and I depotted these. I accidentally bought the wrong size, but these are the Lumi Lotion by L'Oreal. I have light, medium, and deep. You know, it's good for the chest area, under makeup if your bride or your bridesmaid wants to be bronzy. A very broad makeup kit. So yeah, guys, so that is it for our makeup kit. But yeah, please stay tuned. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell. Bye, guys.